You create a very successful Let's Play channel and make a living off of it, but you can only play horror games and you suck at them. I'm bad at video games anyway. Actually, so let's see, Five Nights at Freddy's, or what's another one of those popular fucking games? Alien Isolation or something. I'm not doing that. Not doing that. I'm not into video games anyway. So Byzantine Empire is revived, but economically controlled by Jews. Does that say what I think it says? Okay. Wow. And I thought the one about the. Okay, this isn't as bad as the one earlier, the white race being killed off, but wow. Wow. Did a fucking neo-Nazi write this? Jesus Christ. Although Jews don't believe in that. I don't either. So I'm an atheist, but wow. I don't know much about the Byzantine Empire, but I wouldn't fucking care if it was run by Jews. I mean, what's wrong with Jews? Steven Spielberg, he's fucking Jewish. Mel Brooks. Jesus Christ, people. I don't care if the Jews are running the fucking economy over Byzantine. What the fuck? Like, what? Plus, there's like, is it the stereotype of like Jews being like obsessed with money? Is that why? That's actually really fucking offensive. Wow. Wow. Okay, reality is replaced with that of your favorite childhood cartoon. That would have been Caillou. No, just kidding. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It will happen every week, once a week, and only you will be conscious of it happening, even if your friends take part in any adventures. It'd be interesting, but I don't know. I don't know how much I would enjoy that. It'd be interesting to say the least. I'll do that. Sure, why not? My friends, oh well, kind of sucks for them. You get rid of all poverty in all poor countries. Average yearly salary will be 90,000 USD, 68,000 European dollars, I guess, is what that means. But you do it by letting all their current citizens die. Letting richer countries take. Oh, man. I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. That's horrible. I don't really care like about the money. Like, if you have to kill people to eliminate poverty, then you need to find a better way to eliminate poverty. I'm sorry. Killing people is not going to do it. You can construct and run a casino resort city anywhere you wish in the world, but you can only keep 20% of profits for you, your associates, and your workers. The remainder is given to the communities and other charities in and out of the country via donation. Yeah, I'd do that. Especially if it's like a really successful resort. Because I mean, like, you're giving money to charity. It's going to a good cause, you know. If it was like 80% of the money was going to like your worst enemy, then I would have definitely said no. Fuck that. You can get as much Nutella as you want for the rest of your life, but you have to kill a baby once every week. I don't exactly know what Nutella is, and I don't want to kill babies. So that's bad either way. I'm sorry. You can change the color of your hair or the color of your eyes at will. But they both have to be the same constantly. You know, that'd be kind of cool, actually. Like, you could, like, have, like... okay, you'd have, like, black hair, black eyes. That'd be kind of cool, actually. I would do that. You would look cool. Like, it'd be very unique, I think. Green hair and green eyes. Yeah, okay. I think that's the last one. Yeah. I'll do one. I'll do one more. The battery's running low. Schools and universities become absolutely free, but creationism is being taught in every school. That is a definite no. That is a definite no. Since I am for the separation of church and state, and I'm also an atheist. Okay. So, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Somewhat. I enjoyed making it. It was fun.